Good evening, friends. I hope you and your family are safe and well. Last lectures we have discussed about the insurance company, and friends, we already discussed 2 3 chapters. In that, we have discussed about the cooperative society's final account, banking company's final account. We already started now last lectures insurance company's final account, and we have discussed about the one more chapter, that is a foreign currency conversion also. So these are the all chapters we have discussed, and uh, one thing you have to keep in mind, university has decided to conduct your exam online mode. Therefore we will set the paper, college will set the paper, college will assess the paper and marks sent to the university, and then university will declare the result. This particular procedure is there. For that purpose we have a exam. It's a online mode, and for that purpose paper pattern is multiple choice questions. Under multiple choice, one sentence they will put, and you four options are there. You have to select the most appropriate option. So these are particular criteria is there. In that, we will give total 50 multiple choice questions. From this 50 multiple choice question, you should select 40 multiple choice, and you should attempt only 40 questions, and we will allot 60 marks. All 40 questions 60 marks. And this particular multiple choice, it is belonging to our module. The module should be strong, our basic should be strong, our whatever we have studied, it should be thoroughly, you should know. Then you can easily solve or easily write the appropriate answers. So today we are going to talk about the advanced financial accounting, and under advanced financial accounting we will discuss the various kinds of multiple choice. It is not a IMP, it is not a tips, but such type of questions will be there. Some students say that it is a IMP, but it's not a IMP. It is just a practice. It is just how we will solve our questions. What type of questions are there? What are the expected questions? But it's not a IMP. So I'll already informed you should study each and every module properly. Then you will score good marks. Let us discuss advanced financial accounting, some objectives questions. Now friends, a profit and loss account of banking bank requires A 5 schedules, B 9 schedules, D 6 schedules, C 6 schedules, and D 4 schedules. The answer is D 4 schedules. The person whose risk is insured is an A insured, B risk insured, C insurer, and D none of the above. Answer is A, that is insured. Next, commission on reinsurance accepted is added to a commission, interest, claims, none of the above. Answer is commission. A. Annual report is to be prepared as per the provision of the Companies Act 2013, Partnership Act 1932, the Sale of Goods Act, and D none of the above. Answer is A, that is Companies Act 2013. Number of schedules forming part of balance sheet of a bank are 12, 16, 20, 24. Answer is A, that is 12. In case of banking company, final account, term loan are disclosed under A. Investment, B. Fixed assets, C. Advances, and D. Other assets. Answer is advances. C. In case of banking company final account, saving bank deposits are disclosed under deposited, fixed assets, current liabilities, current assets. Answer is deposited. A. Next, in case of banking company, final account stock of statutory and stationery and stamps should be disclosed under current assets, fixed assets, other assets, and cash and cash equivalent. Answer is C, that is other assets. Rebate on bill discounted is discount received by bank but not on, discount on by bank but not received, rebate allowed by customer on bill discounted, discount charged by bank on bill discounted. Answer is C, that is rebate allowed by customer on bill discounted. Surplus on revaluation should be treated as answer other income, capital reserve, statutory reserve, revenue reserve. Answer is B, that is capital reserve. In case in banking company the heading of other asset does not include silver, interest accrued, but not due, gold. Answer is gold. Gold does not include under other assets. The first item of asset side of the balance sheet of a cooperative society is A. Fixed asset, B. Cash at bank, C. Cash in bank, and D. Deposit. Answer is C, that is cash in hand, cash in bank. Tools and equipments are shown in the balance sheet of a cooperative society is under fixed assets, under current assets, separately, or miscellaneous expenses under current asset. Answer is B. Claims outstanding is shown in the balance sheet of a insurance company under current asset, current liabilities, advances, or other assets. Answer B. Agent balance is shown in the balance sheet of an insurance company under current asset, current liabilities, advance, or other assets. Answer is B, that is current liabilities. Next, reserve for unexpired risk is shown in the balance sheet of general insurance company under reserves and surplus, capital, miscellaneous expenditure not written off, or provision. Answer is D, provision. A member who hold jointly a share of society with other but whose name does not stand first in share certificate. Such member is called as nominal member, sympathize member, associate member, or co-member. Answer is associate member. Proper custody and maintenance of property belonging to society is the function of chairman, managing committee, secretary, treasurer. Answer is B, managing committee. A banking company must hold a license issued by RBI, SBI, central government or state government. Answer is RBI. NPA stands for, it is very simple and it is very good question. Non-privileged assets, non-performing assets, net performance assets, or none of the above. Answer is non-performing assets. The currency of the enterprise preparing account is called foreign currency, home currency, reporting currency, own currency. Answer is C, reporting currency. For internal purpose, bank may disclose in their account on which day? 31st December, 30th June, 31st March, or 30th September. The answer is 30th September. Next, the principal books of a banking company that gives the summary of the receiving cashier's counter cash books and the paying cashier counter cash book. Paying cashier counter cash book. The answer is general ledger, saving bank account, cash book, or investment ledger. Here answer is C, that is cash book. Next, the dash of the section 29 of the Banking Regulation Act 1949 prescribe the format of the balance sheet and profit and loss account of the banking company. Third schedule, second schedule, sixth schedule, or fourth schedule. The answer is A, that is third schedule. It is the last item to appear under capital and liabilities of the balance sheet of a bank. Reserves and surplus, deposits, borrowing, other liabilities and provisions. Answer is D, and other liabilities and provisions. It is shown by way of a footnote and details are given in Schedule B. Contingent liabilities, other assets, investments, and other liabilities and provisions. Answer is A, that is contingent liability, put as a footnote. Bills purchased and discounted are shown in dash on the balance sheet of a bank. Schedule 10, Schedule 8, Schedule 9, Schedule 12. Answer is Schedule 9. So these are the type of questions may become in your exam. You should prepare yourself. It is very simple to understand these kinds of question. You have to study hard. We will discuss the same in our next video. I hope you understood what type of questions are expected and what type of answers are there. Okay, thank you.